Go to your home screen on LinkedIn and then go to your profile. You will see a place where it says Show Recruiters You're Open. Now you add your job titles here and it will self-populate. So start typing in various job titles you want to be found for and click on the drop down because this goes into LinkedIn's massive database. So you want to use their specific titles that come up. Once you've selected all the titles that make sense for you, you want to go ahead and add the job locations. And then the job types. In my case, I'm only looking for contract and remote work. And especially now, you may only want remote work. Also specify who can see that you're open to jobs. All LinkedIn members, or you may only want recruiters to find you. So you specify which one works for you. From there, you're going to go ahead and add this to your profile. Once you add it to your profile, you can then get a daily email and in-app notifications when new jobs match your preferences. So you can toggle those on if you'd like to. Also, join the free LinkedIn 5-day challenge, May 4th and 8th, by clicking on this link.